World Changers, Miss McCarthy here with your Florida Fast Math freebie of the week. Now, I've created this weekly math video series to help you feel calm and confident when it's time to throw down your best on Florida's Fast Math Assessment. Each week, we practice a specific question type. These videos, they are short, they're sweet, and they are to the point. And if you know that you need some more practice, I'll point you in the right direction for tons of videos at the end of this episode today. The focus for this week is, drum roll, multi-select. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it and let me teach ya. All right, third grade, here is your problem this week. So go ahead and pause the video and try this one on your own. Then when you're ready to check your work, press play and come on back. Welcome back, third grade. Let's go over this one, okay? It says that Grace measures the temperature of the outside air in degrees Fahrenheit. At 7 o'clock a.m., her thermometer measured 59 degrees Fahrenheit. At noon, which is 12 o'clock, her thermometer measured 82 degrees Fahrenheit. At 7:15 p.m., so in the evening, like maybe dinner or after dinner time, her thermometer measured 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Select all of the statements that are true. Okay, so this is a multi-select problem, which means that we need to read through each one and really consider each one, deciding whether we're going to keep it or eliminate it, okay? So the very first statement says the temperature increased by 37 degrees Fahrenheit from 7 o'clock a.m. to noon. At 7 o'clock, her thermometer measured 59 degrees Fahrenheit. And then at noon, it goes up to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. So yes, it did increase, but let's figure out how much it increased by. So if I want to take 82, subtract 59 from that, do some regrouping here, and that would be 23 degrees. So it increased by 23 degrees, not 37 degrees Fahrenheit. So no to this one. However, the next one, when I read it, says the temperature increased by 23 degrees Fahrenheit. That one is true, because on your computer-based test, you'll have to take information from that screen and jot it down onto your workspace. So you gotta make sure that you're doing that here too. So the next one says the temperature decreased by 15 degrees between noon and 7:15 p.m. So it's saying from noon, that was 82 degrees, and it goes down to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so let me see how much it actually decreased by. So I'll come over here again. The highest temperature was 82 degrees. I'll subtract my 67 degrees from that. I need to regroup. And that is a decrease. It goes down by 15 degrees. So this one is also true right here. Next, it says the temperature decreased by 25 degrees between noon and 7:15 p.m. We can go ahead and eliminate that one because we already determined that it was by 15 degrees, not 25. So no. All right, so the next one says the difference between the temperature at 7 a.m. and 7:15 p.m. is 8 degrees Fahrenheit. So at 7 a.m., what was the temperature? It was 59 degrees, right? From 59 degrees. And then at 7:15 p.m., what was the temperature? Yeah, 67 degrees. So let's take 67 degrees minus 59 degrees, see what we get. I need to regroup. That would be a difference of 8 degrees Fahrenheit, so that one is true. And the final one says the difference between the temperature at 7 o'clock and 7:15 is 12 degrees. Well, we already determined that it was 8 degrees, so there we go. So we need to go ahead, and I need to make sure that I've locked in my answers. So it's this one right here with 23 degrees. It is this one right here with 15 degrees, and the second from the last one right there with 8 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so that's how you solve this one. Go ahead and pause the video. Make sure you jot down all the notes, rewind it if you need to, and when you're ready, let's close out this video lesson. Now here's a message for the grown-ups in your life. If you are a teacher, parent, or educational leader looking to support your students with more practice in a safe environment, follow me over to McCarthyMathAcademy.com for tons of math videos specifically geared towards Florida's best standards. Just know that I would love the opportunity to make math fun, make it click, and make it stick for your students. So make sure that you check out the link somewhere around this video. Before we go, let me remind you that practice is not something we do once we're good, it's the one thing we do that makes us good. If you want to get better, stronger, more confident with anything, you've got to dedicate time to intentional practice. And that means throwing down your best effort each and every time. I believe in you, and I will see you next time, World Changers.